Ready to close the eBay account for good? Whether you've moved on or just want a break, here's a step-by-step guide to permanently delete your eBay account using a PC. First, log into your account at ebay.com with a username and password. Next, scroll down to the bottom and click on Help and Contact. Search for Close Account and click on the link that says Closing a eBay account. eBay will ask you to select a reason for leaving. Choose the one that best fits you. Then follow the prompts. You'll have to review your account activity and confirm that you have no pending transactions. Once everything is in order, click Submit Request. It can take up to 30 days for your account to be fully deleted, especially if there is recent activity. That's it. Your eBay account is now in deletion process. For more helpful tutorials and eBay tips, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video.